The idea behind it for us was an opportunity to maybe help a population of students that were not hitting the target. Teachers perhaps did not know how to deal with them, the process of learning. Because when you visit classes, you see them, and the population has increased. When a teacher had 3 second language learners, they could deal with that. Bring the kids in, work with them here. But when you have 8 or 9, they're not prepared for that. They can't make a connection with the teacher or with the knowledge the teacher's trying to share with them, because they don't dominate the language. So how are you going to reach them?
And the mainstream teachers, I think, are afraid of, they don't know what the right pathway is. Teachers want to do right by the students in front of them, and they just don't know what to do sometimes.